Hi, I'm Stephen from One-Click LCA, and today I will show you how to use our Carbon Heroes benchmark program. Our Carbon Heroes benchmark program is our internal benchmark system, which allows you to benchmark your results according to validated project results from other users. Nowadays, it already includes thousands of projects, and the benchmark groups depend on your building type. In order to get the benchmarks to show up, like you see on my screen, you will have to have filled in the mandatory input pages. They don't necessarily all have to have data. For example, energy can be empty, but they have to be filled so it can generate these results. As we can see here, our Carbon Heroes benchmark program looks at the building typology. My project here is an office in the UK. So I have here, for example, United Kingdom as the benchmark selection. It will show you what is the retained sample size, so how many validated projects are there, also what is the average emissions per square meter, and then also how your project is doing. It always calculates for a period of 60 years, and it includes the life cycle stages, which you see here in the middle. So it's A1 to A3, A4, B4, B5, and then C1, C2, C3, or C4, depending on what kind of data you have in your project. You can, of course, also select other type of benchmark groups, and you can also select your other designs. So I can, for example, see that my second design here is doing much better. If you want to scroll through the entire benchmark set, you can scroll, and there are a number of different type of benchmark groups, and we are expanding this every year. So if I would, for example, want to say, okay, we specifically look at United Kingdom offices, I could see directly how my project is doing against this benchmark group as well. Additionally, besides the benchmarks we have here, you could also navigate to the results page. And if you go to the result page, you have on the top also the Carbon Heroes benchmark. So you can compare these in two different places. So yeah, that's it.